About to get Mello Will tuned up. First time, first adjustment ever. Ribley Family Chiropractic by your boy, Dr. Palmer. Dr. DJ Palm.
Tune in. What you tune into, you turn into. You tuned into the highest vibrations on the market.
Highest. About to get Mello Will tuned up for his very first adjustment at the office. Dr. DJ Palm, Dr. Palmer Ribley at Ribley Family Chiropractic, Sacred Alignment.
Yes, sir.
How's the body feeling?
Feel magical.
Great.
My body feels good.
Cool.
I'm looking forward to some unexpected lessons.
Cool.
Yeah.
All
My body feels good though. Yeah.
Let's go face down when you're ready. Let's get you tuned up. So I think we get the legs over here.
Just put my face in here like this?
Yep.
All right.
All right, so first thing I'm checking is your legs. We're gonna see if there's a short leg. So you can see on the camera that Mello's right leg is probably about a half, maybe a quarter inch short, between a half and a quarter inch. So we're going to check each region here, checking the motion. A little bit restrict on the left side more compared to the right, but we're gonna get those moving and grooving better. All right, now we'll restrict on the right side. I'm gonna pop these on up here. So there's the drops underneath are gonna pop up like that, and it'll drop down like this with the adjustment. Let's get this right side moving. Good. Nice. Oh yeah, already better. Come check this out. All right, so after that adjustment, we probably got about over halfway there. We're nearly perfectly balanced. Maybe like 1/8 of an inch short. So we got the legs balanced pretty good just on that first one. We're gonna do a nice deep breath in right in this area. Good. All the way out. Good. And relax all the way. Nice. How'd that feel? Good. That's started moving a little bit better too. Right there. Nice. You gently push these lower lumbars, the vertebrae in the low back. Get some increased motion right in here. A little tight on the paraspinals, which I'm going to show you that one exercise, and that's going to help stabilize that low back and the pelvis. So I bet you won't even feel that little bit of tightness you're telling me about in the low back. Oh, that's already moving a lot better. One harder, they feel about the same. Yeah, they look pretty good there. The sacrum's good to go. That's definitely moving better. You might get one posterior, yeah, one or two posterior. A couple more drops here. Good. Okay. Legs.
Yeah, that actually is crazy.
Good. Alright, let's check these first ribs. A little more restriction on this left side. So just going to use this little clicker, this activator tool, especially on the neck area. I like the more kind of soft, gentle adjustments. Doesn't take a whole lot right there. Let's do a little massage, then we're going to do some traction in a second. It's going to stretch out the neck, decompress the neck area. Everyone pretty much loves it. If for any reason you don't like it, just let me know, but I think you're going to love it. So we'll do that in just a few moments here. Okay. All right, bro. Flip on over, face up when you're ready. Yeah. Right there. Cool. All right, lift the head up just a little bit here and put that right there. Relax it all the way down. Good. So we're all fighting gravity every day. Our discs in between the vertebrae and the bones get compressed. This is a great way to just decompress that neck area. It's a nice stretch too. Strap feel okay behind the head right there?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, bro. How's this feeling so far?
Stretchy.
They feel good?
Mm-hmm.
You feel much of a stretch yet, or is it just pretty minor?
Minor.
You want to try a little bit more?
Okay, I'll feel it up there.
Good right there. If it's ever too much or anything, just let me know. Do about 4 more here, just kind of gradually increasing that pressure.
Man, I don't think I ever stretched that.
Exactly. This is like a way we can't really stretch throughout the day. Good.
Decompress it though.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's good.
Do about 3 more, just like that right there. Good.
Oh yeah.
Nice. How'd that feel?
Oh yeah, that's good right there.
Nice. You can lift the head up just a little bit here. All right. So this was like the shorter version. We're not quite done yet, but just say the next time you're in town, we'll do like the full thing for sure. Let's check these. Good. Nice. Cool. All right, bro. Come on up seated here. We're going to keep the legs right there. Yep, perfect. Actually, I'll have you scoot down just a teeny bit. Right there, good. All right, let's go right arm, left shoulder. Left arm, right shoulder. We're going to tuck the chin down. Deep breath in. And all the way out. Roll like that. The shoulders drop. Good. There's another one there. Cool. All right, we'll swing the legs on over to the left side. You can relax those shoulder arms there. All right, make sure every single bone in the neck is moving and grooving perfectly. We're gonna get that C4 moving better, C5 right there. Oh yeah, dude. That's much better. Reinforce a little bit more right there. And that'll do. I like to always finish off a nice little shoulder massage, make everyone feeling great before they come out of the office. So again, this was the short version of the adjustment. When Mello comes back in town next time, we'll get the full version, full exam, x-rays. We'll be able to take a little bit more time on the adjustment, and that'll be great. But this is a great little intro just to kind of introduce them to chiropractic and what it's about.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Good. All right, bro, stand up, walk around. Let me know how you're feeling there. Might feel a little bit different because you got those legs balanced out, the hips moving, doing better.
I didn't even know I had a shorter leg.
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll see it on the thing. You'll see it on the video. It's pretty noticeable.
All right. That's
Yeah.
How you feeling? Feeling good? A little lighter on the toes?
oh yeah, cool. Nice little massage, y'all.
Yep. So, all right,
Neck stretch is incredible.
Yeah, and so the next time, like, we'll take the X-rays so that I can see everything, and we'll be able to do like the adjustment portion of that, which is where I give it a little bit of a pull, and that'll probably really loosen some things up there.
How does yours look? Are you just like
my neck
perfectly aligned?
No, not at all. I had a lot of work to do. So,
I mean, like now.
I think it's looking better. I need to get a re-X-ray because I've been doing a lot of work to improve it. The last X-ray I did get, it was my neck curve was improving the way that you want it to go. So that was promising for sure. And like I said, I'm on the good track. So I'm probably gonna get some new X-rays here soon. And I'll be able to see. But yeah, definitely been feeling better. So that's the thing is like even if the X-rays look kind of bad, as long as you're feeling okay, it's about managing the symptoms. But obviously, when you improve the X-rays and the alignment, you're gonna manage the symptoms better. So
what did you say that you were seeing you were counting in the neck vertebrae? Whatever, I don't know.
Yeah, there's 7 neck bones.
You saying you
and I was counting each
better?
one. Yeah, like so the C4 and C5 right here. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5 right there. Those bones didn't seem like they were moving as much. So just with this little jackhammer guy, I was just kind of improving that motion there.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
And you could feel the difference.
Yep. Afterwards for sure. All right, let's get out of here so we don't get Bianca behind because I always run behind. I don't want her to get mad at me today.
It's lit. That was perfect. Damn, swift too.
Divine timing.
Yeah, you're the man. That's lit, bro.